ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अद्य कः गायति का गायति वा? हरि ओम।
Sir, I will sing.
गायतु।
ध्यानश्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायत्पत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवैत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहिनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्धगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयति गिरिम् यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अतः गीता महत्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्रयामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं पूसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृत् गीताम्भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्। गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिसृतं गीतात् गन्धोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। अथ ध्यानम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदोक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। धन्यवाद।
हाँ, धन्यवादः भगिनी। अस्तु, ह्यस्तनपाठे ह्यस्तनवर्गे अस्माभिः 17 पाठस्य पुनरावर्तनं कृतं। तत् आवश्यकमासीत्। इदानीम् अस्माकं कर्मणि भावे प्रयोगान् अग्रे नयामः। अद्य एकविंशतितमः पाठः कर्मणि भावे प्रयोगः लङ्लकारे। पृष्ठसङ्ख्या अस्ति द्विचत्वारिंशोत्तर एकशतं, दट् इस् 142, पेज् नम्बर्। अत्र अहं सदैव एतत् स्थापयामि in this one, that our main कर्मणि भावे this is our main slide. So in bhave there is no karma. The dhatu is of course mool dhatu plus ya and atmanepadi, and in bhave prayoga only prathama purush ekvachanam. कर्मणि प्रयोगे तो कर्म अस्ति एव प्रथमा विभक्तौ, कर्ता तृतीया विभक्तौ भवति, अनन्तरं क्रियापदं कर्मानुसारी भवति, तदेव मूल धातु प्लस य एंड आत्मनेपदी। सो इदानीं यदि भवन्तः सर्वे अर्थम् अवगच्छन्ति चेत् तस्य कर्तरि परिवर्तनम् आवश्यकं नास्ति, परन्तु यदि अर्थः न अवगम्यते चेत् तस्य परिवर्तनं कृत्वा तस्य अर्थः करणीयः, अनन्तरम् अग्रे गच्छामः। सो इदानीं अत्र किमपि नास्ति, विशेषतः किमपि नास्ति, केवलं धातूनां रूपाणि कथं भवन्ति तदेव विशिष्टम्, अत्र विशिष्टकार्यम्। अस्तु, अद्य के सन्ति? कः पठति? अस्तु, इदानीम् एकक्षणं।
Yes, sir. Anandamai.
We will go by this one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Mine is first. Anandamai.
पठतु।
Yeah. Paresham dukkham. Sadukkham.
Swadukkham. Paresham means, what is it? Pratipadikam? Any idea?
No.
What is this Paresham?
पर एषाम, पर एषाम,
others.
Pardon?
Others.
No. Para itself is a sarvanam. Para
Sir,
means,
is it para is other?
Others.
oh, you are telling English other, huh?
Yeah, others.
I thought others. No. It is not
Others.
No. In English, OTHER, other.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you are Sanskrit others, adaha, that there is one sarvanam in Sanskrit others. I heard.
No.
So Paresham is, para is other, OTHER, dusra, somebody else. So like we in the sarvanam shabdas we have done idam and I mean in pullinga and strilinga, but there are many sarvanamas. Okay, in English you call it as a pronoun, but in Sanskrit there is no such thing as pronoun. There are many words in Sanskrit which are considered as sarvanama, I mean sarvanamani, but in English there is nothing, like eka. Okay, eka in Sanskrit is sarvanam. In some, either it is sankhyavatyak shabda or sarvanam. So you will get ekasmin grame. in English there is no pronoun called one. But anyway, that is a separate issue. So para will be declined like sarva. So in Shashti Bahuvachan, like Sarvesham. So this will be Paresham.
Okay.
Paresham Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. दूसरों का. So Paresham Dukkham Swa Dukkham. हाँ, दूसरों का दुख अपना दुख है. So आगे अग्रे पठतु आनंद महोदय.
Yes, sir. कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे
हाँ
चित् वृद्धः
हाँ
पुत्रेण सह निवसति स्म.
Nivasati Sma. Now here there are few reminders. We have done already chit chana pratyaya. So kasminchit grame. So here kasmin and grame, they are visheshan vishesha bhava. So both are saptami vibhakti ekvachan. And chit is added to kasmin. So in some village, in one, some, I mean, we don't know, some village, in some village, kachit vruddha, some old lady. Again, vruddha and ka, they are visheshan vishesha bhava, but added chit, some old lady. पुत्रेण सह, अगेन प्रथमः पाठः उपपद विभक्ति, सह शब्दस्य तृतीया भवति. सो पुत्रेण सह, विथ हर सन, निवसति स्म. नाउ स्म, when you add to a lat lakar rupam, it becomes continuous
Used to.
past tense.
Used to.
Used to.
Used.
She used to live, वहाँ रहती थी. ओके, अग्रे पठतु महोदय.
हाँ. माता पुत्रौ अभौ अपि दयापरौ.
अभौ नहीं, उभौ.
उभौ
हाँ,
अपि दयापरौ.
दया परौ. Okay, so here forget about api. Api is also. Now all the three are visheshan vishesha bhava. So mata putrau, then mata cha putrah cha is mata putrau. Anyway, we'll learn samasa in the next level. Is dvivachan, and ubha, again ubhau is again dvivachan. Both mother and son, daya parau, they were kind enough. Okay. Next, who will read in the, because I have not my this one.
We'll take it. I think next one is Aruna Bhagini.
Yeah, Aruna Bhagini, padati va?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
लघुगृहे एव आसीत् तयोः वासः.
हाँ. लघु गृहे किम प्रातिपदिकम का विभक्ति?
सप्तमी विभक्ति.
सप्तम
एकवचन.
प्रातिपदिकम
गृहम.
not graham. Graham is prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Pratipadikam is gruha, laghu gruha. Laghu gruhe, there is saptami, in a small house. Eva asit tayoho vasaha. Tayoho means both of them. Their shashti vibhakti dvivachan. Vasaha, residence. Their stay was there in small house. In simple English, they used to stay in a small house. Kadachit vruddha. Okay, Aruna Bhagini padhatu.
कदाचित् वृद्धा रुग्णा जाता.
Rugna and Jata. Jata is a ta pratyanta rupam, and its meaning is became. Okay. She became sick. Rugna is, again, Rugna is a ta pratyanta, forget about that. Rugna means a person who is ill. And Strilingi, you add a, Rugna. Vruddha, Rugna, Jata. All three, Visheshan, Vishesha Bhava. Kadachit, same. Ichchan Pratyaya. Kada means sometimes. At some time, she became ill. Padhatu agre.
औषधस्य निर्माणाय तया लोभ्रवृक्षस्य त्वक् एष्यत्.
Aishyat. Aishyat.
ऐष्यत्.
Now here I want to share something with you. One is, first let us understand the meaning of this. Aushadhasya nirmanaya, for the preparation of an medicine. Now this next word is important. Taya lodhra vrakshasya tvak aishat. Lodhra vrakshasya is some tree. I checked in the dictionary. I mean, when I was studying GS2 that time also and now also, I don't know what is the Indian name for this. There is some tree. The bark of that tree is medicinal. I don't know. It may be some tree, but its name is Lodhra Vriksha. Twak. Twak is, what is twak? Pratipadikam.
Skin.
No, no, skin okay. Pratipadikam.
Twitch.
Huh?
Twitch.
Touch.
Twach. Hello, please mute yourself. Twach. Huh? So Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan will be twak. Twak, twachau, twachaha. Okay, like that. So twak is skin. Now Prathama Vibhakti is twak. Tritiya Vibhakti is taya. And Aishat is the Karmani Rupam. Now here, how to find out which dhatu it is there? So for that, I will have to go back. I don't know how to. Where? Yes. Astu. In Lang Lakara, everybody knows that before the this one, Dhatu Rupa, whatever this one, it is hmm, Agachat, something like that. But when the Dhatu itself starts with any swara, okay, that time there is a A in the beginning, not A. Like any Dhatu, you know, of which starts with swara.
Iksha.
Huh? Okay, you have
E-
taken the same Dhatu which is already there. Ish.
Asudhatu.
Okay. Isha Dhatu. So when you take the Lang Lakar Rupas, you don't have to add A in the beginning, you have to add A in the beginning. Okay. And then this A plus E becomes I. How? Right now you don't bother. So I. Okay. And that whatever the Rupa. So Aishata is this one. लंग लकारे कर्मणि प्रयोगे प्रथम पुरुषे एक वचनम. So we have to, how to find out the dhatu now? You have to remove this manepadi pratyaya ta. Then you remove ya, and this aisha, from this I, you know, it is a plus e. So this is the original dhatu. Okay. So taya lodhra vrikshasya tvak aishyat. Now we'll change it to kartari. Taya will become
Sa.
sa. Okay. Then twak. Prathama vibhakti ekvachan twak. So dvitiya will be
Twitchum.
twacham.
Twitchum.
Twacham. And a plus ish. Now here, same that Aishat will come, but it is in sorry, Parasmai So instead of Aishata, it will be Aishat. Revise the this forms. Okay, Lat Lakar, Lang Lakar. So in the Atmanepadi, Pratham Purusha is the full. In Parasmapadi, it is half the. This one. Okay. So that is the thing. Now, so sa tvacham aishyada. Kasya tvacham lodhra vrikshasya tvacham aishyata. So she desired that her son, I mean, she wanted bark of some tree called lodhra vriksha. Okay. Agree? Huh.
तया पुत्रः आहूयत.
Now, ahuyata dhatu is vhe dhatu. Okay, I'll write down here. Vhe. It is a parasmaipadi dhatu. The rupas are bhayati. Bhayati means to call. Bulana. So, and the upasarga is a. Again, avayati. Again, same to call. So, and avayata is karmani prayoge. Sorry, ahuyata. Now, why in okay? Now this dhatu ve, our rule was you apply ya pratyaya to original dhatu, you should get atmanepadi dhatu. That karmani prayogasya nutanaha dhatu. But this is a special dhatu. When you apply ya, that va and a becomes u, huyate. Okay. So that is a, I mean, some grammar, some special dhatus are there. There we have to be especially careful. So though, I mean, I said this pay, you remove the, sorry. Atmane Parajipatya, then you remove, you will get original dhatu. Is not so. It is not who, it is bha. Okay. And the rupas are avayati, avyataha, avayanti and all that. So, Taya putraha avayata means sa putram avayat. She called her son near her. Okay. Sviya apeksha asuchata cha. And now here, can somebody say what is the karta karma? Sviya apeksha asuchata cha. What is sviya?
Her own, अपना.
हाँ, her own, उसकी अपनी. But don't compare this sviya with taya. Taya is tritiya vibhakti ekvachan. Sviya is just prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Okay. Pratipadika means sviya. I mean, original root is sviya means own. And strilingi prathama vibhakti will be striya, sviya. So sviya apeksha, apni ichha. Asuchata. Asuchata. So remove the all the pratyaya, the dhatu becomes sucha, inform to batana. तो अपनी इच्छा बताई. लेकिन कर्तरी प्रयोग में क्या होगा? सा स्वीयाम अपेक्षा असूचयत. उसने अपनी इच्छा बताई बेटे को. Now here in this second sentence, sviya apeksha asuchata cha, here in this karta is absent. So it is taken as adyahara from the previous sentence. उसने अपने बेटे को बुलाया full stop और अपनी इच्छा जताई. So there karta is taken as a adyahara from the old one.
Sir, Sviya, what is the Pratipadikam you said?
Sviya.
Sviya.
No, in this Strilinga Pratipadikam will be Sviya only.
Mhm.
The Strilinga form is formed from other Pratipadikam called Sviya.
Okay.
Okay. See, in any Pratipadikam you add some Stri Pratyaya, it still remains a Pratipadikam. Like Nada. Nada means a very big river like Brahmaputra or Sindhu. Add E Pratyaya to that, that is Stri Pratyaya, it becomes Nadi. But Nadi is still a Pratipadikam. And then in Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan also it remains Nadi itself. So like that Sviya is the original root, add Stri Pratyaya A, it becomes Sviya, and that is still Pratipadikam. Then add that Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan Pratyaya, it still remains Sviya. Sviya apeksha asuchyata cha. Okay, अग्रे इदानीम् अरुणा भगिनी अभवत् खलु. अग्रे कः अस्ति?
Gayatri, I just read.
पठतु.
पुत्रेण वनम् अगम्यत.
हाँ, सो अगम्यत कर्तरी में करो.
पुत्रः
Gotcha.
नम्
Gotcha.
हाँ,
अगच्छत्.
very good. पुत्रः वनम् अगच्छत्. Okay. So why? I mean, putraha vanam agachat is very simple to understand. Why they have made putrena vanam agamyata is for our understanding. उसके बाद आपको आगे आगे जैसे जाएंगे तो कर्मणि प्रयोग में बताना बहुत आसान होता है, इसलिए अभी कर्मणि और भाव्य प्रयोग का अभ्यास कर रहे हैं. आगे जाके कई ऐसे सेंटेंस आएंगे जो कर्मणि में आसान है, कर्तरी में बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. अग्रे.
बहुत्र अन्विष्य अन्ते तेन लोग्रवृक्षः अदृश्यत.
हाँ, सो तेन लोध्रवृक्षः अदृश्यत तावदेव. कन्वर्ट दिस टू कर्तरी.
सः लोग्रवृक्षम् अदृश्यत.
नो, सॉरी,
Apashyat.
अपश्यत.
अपश्यत.
ना, सः लोध्रवृक्षम् अपश्यत. एंड बहुत्र अन्विष्य. अन्विष्य इज व्हाट?
After searching for a long time.
हाँ, but not long time. It is not. There is no time reference here. बहुत.
Ante, at the end, after searching,
हाँ,
at the end.
हाँ, but what is बहुत्र?
Many places.
Many places. At many places. Bahutra Anvishya. He searched at many places. And at the end, he found Lodhra Vriksha. Okay? Agree?
Okay. I'll continue.
Continue.
तेन परशुना लोद्रत्वचः अकृत्यन्त.
Akrityanta. Now here the dhatu is Krita. Krita Krintati means katna, cut karna. Krintati is simple dhatu. Krintati, Krintata, Krintanti. And Langlakare Akrintat, Akrintatam, Akrintan, like that. So now here there is this one that though there are two words of Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan, they are not Visheshan Vishesha Bhava. Tena Parushuna. So Tena refers to द सन, बेटे को तेन लिखा हुआ है. परशुना तो कुल्हाड़ी के साथ, कुल्हाड़ी से. So no Visheshan Visheshya Bhava. Though there are two words of the same Vibhakti and same Vachan, they may not be related by Visheshan Visheshya Bhava. Please note. Okay. So Tena Dodritvachaha Akrityanta. Sorry. So who will make this in Kartari?
Saha
Hmm?
Logratvacham
Hmm?
Akarut Akrutam Akurvan.
Akrantan. Akrantan. Very deep.
Akrantan.
This one. Okay, I will open the Dhatu Patha. The Dhatu is still Krita, but it becomes Kranta. Krita Kriti Chedane. Drishyadeva? I will make it bigger slightly. Dhatu is Krita, so Krantati, Krantata, Krantanti. And in Lang Lakar, Akrantat, Akrantatam, Akrantan. Okay. So Saha Lodra, no, Bhavati Vada Uktavati Lodra Tvacham. It is not Tvacham. Why?
No, I don't know, sir.
Na. Vachanam kim asti? Lodra Tvachaha.
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Tarhi Ditya Vibhakto api Bahuvachanam eva karaniyam. Not.
Bahuvachanam. Yes, yes.
So Saha
Yes.
Saha Akrantan. That means not at one place. He removed the barks at many places of that Lodra Vriksha. Okay. And what about Parashuna? Should Parashuna be?
Parashuna remains as it is.
Parashuna remains
No.
same.
Remains as it is.
Because, as I said, those words which are not taking part in Kartari Karmani should remain as it is. Tatra kimapi karyam na karniyam. So Saha Parashuna Lodra Tvachaha Akrantan. He cut the bark at many places with the help of an axe. Okay. Anantaram Agre?
Sir, I will read.
Ha.
Jayalakshmi.
Patadu?
Ah.
Yes.
Taha sarvaha samgrihya griham aniya matre adinata.
One question, sir.
Yes.
This word Parshuna comes under Tritiya, isn't it?
It's Tritiya Vibhakti. Parashu, like
It is still not to be considered in Karmani.
it is not taking part in the Karmani Prayoga at all. Sandarbha kim context nasti tatra.
Yes, sir, that I agree. But my focus was, since it is in Tritiya, I should do something for that.
Nothing to be done.
Okay, so it remains as it is.
It is to be treated as a independent. I mean, though it is in Tritiya Vibhakti, since it is not taking, I mean, it has no role in the Karmani Prayoga.
So only after taking context into account, then only it should change Prathama Tritiya.
That is there, of course. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise, what will happen? No. What will happen is, if you take Parashuna as the Karta, then the axe is cutting the bark, not the boy.
Yes.
Okay.
That is boy is Adhyarut here.
Boy is referred in the Tena.
Okay.
That Tena means the putraha, putrena. Okay, and parashuna is only the instrument of action.
Yes, I agree. Yes.
So putrena, parashuna. No, who is cutting? Parashu is. I mean, of course, ultimately the parashu is cutting, but human form, who is there? That putraha.
Putrena.
So putraha is taking part in the karmani prayog and not parashu. Otherwise, what will happen is if I mean apply 1-to-1 this one, ditto rule, then it will become saha parashuhu lodratva
Correct.
akrantan. So that axe cut the bark, and then the boy's role is over. So we have to pay slight attention to that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
हाँ, जयलक्ष्मी भगिनी पठतु ताः सर्वाः संगृह्य गृहम् आनीय.
Sir, I read that sentence.
No problem. Now, here, which are the words which are taking part in कर्मणि प्रयोगा?
ताः सर्वाः and adiyanta.
Adiyanta, that's all, only 3 words. Now,
Yes.
what is the karta? And
ताः सर्वाः.
no,
ताः.
no, karta should be in tritiya vibhakti. Is there any karta
Okay,
there?
Taha is there, no?
But it is in tritiya vibhakti.
No.
Then?
Pradama Bahuvajanam.
Pratama Bahuvachan. So it is karma. Sarvaha is also karma because it is Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan.
Okay.
Okay? Sorry, Bahuvachan.
Okay.
Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan. So
Okay.
Ta Sarvaha becomes Visheshan Vishesha Bhava.
Okay.
They all, what they all? The Tvachaha, the barks. Those barks. Sangruhya, Graham, Matre, all that, no role to play at all. Okay. Adiyanta. Now, adiyanta is dadhatu.
Dadhatu.
Karmani prayoge, it becomes diyate. And then in langlakar, bahuvachan, prathama purush bahuvachan.
Bahuvachan. That's why adiyanta.
Adiyata, adiyantam, adiyanta. Okay. So, in simple English, those barks were given. That's all.
To mother.
Okay. To the mother. That matre and all that. No?
Yeah. Okay.
Now, who is the karta?
Karta. That.
Son.
Putra.
In the earlier word, sentence, it is tena. That is putrena. I mean,
Okay.
in the story, it is putram. Putraha.
Yeah.
So putrena, but in the sentence it is tena. So tena, taha, sarvaha, matra, adiyanta. They were all given by him to his mother in English.
Okay.
Okay. उसने सारी वो जो खाल थी, सारे खालों को अपनी माता को दे दिए.
माँ के पास दिया, माता को दिया.
अब उसको कर्मणि हिंदी में तो मुझे नहीं आएगा कर्मणि कैसा था, इंग्लिश में थोड़ा इजी रहेगा. ठीक है. ओके. सो सहा, एक्चुअली दैट सहा इज अध्याहारा. नाउ ताहा सर्वाहा संगृह्य, हाउ टू चेंज इट टू द्वितीया विभक्ति?
ताभि सर्वाभि.
व्हाई ताभि तृतीया? आई एम सेइंग द्वितीया विभक्ति. कर्म विल बिकम द्वितीया विभक्ति.
तान सर्वान.
That is pullinga.
ताभ्यः.
ताः सर्वाः एव.
Same.
Same. Sorry.
Taha. So taha will be taha only. Okay.
Okay.
So, saha, I mean that karta. Saha taha sarvaha sangruhya graham aniya matre.
Adiyanta.
What is that dhatu now? Da dhatu, lang lakare prathama purushe.
Adadati.
No. There are two things here. Okay. Adhyanta, there are two da dhatus in Sanskrit. One is prathama gana, other is tritiya gana. Okay. So normally when we say dadati, datta, datta, that is in tritiya gana. There is another da dhatu. It's called yachati, yachataha, yachanti. Okay. You can use anyway, and both of them when converted to karmani will become diyate. Okay. So either you can use yachat or you can use dadati. A choice is yours. We'll see both of them. See, dan, dane, vadi is yachati. Sorry. See, yachati, yachataha, yachanti, yachasi, yachata, yachata, yachami, yachavaha, yachamaha. And in lang lakar, ayachat, ayachatam, ayachan, ayachaha, ayachatam, ayachata, ayacham, ayachav, ayachama. This is one. And so saha taha sarvaha sangraya gruhamanya matre ayachat. He gave it to his mother. Or if you want to use tritiya gana se dhatu, da, dudai, dane. So dadati, dattaha, dadati, dadasi, dattha, dattha, dadami, dadvaha, dadmaha. And in lang lakare, adadat. Okay. Adadat, adattam, adaduhu. Adadaha, adattam, adatta. Adadam, adadva, adadma. Whichever you feel you are comfortable with, use that. No problem. Okay. Bottom line is, he came to his house, gave those bags to his mother. Okay. Agree. Kaha patati? Astu, Jalakshmi Bhagini, only one sentence is there in that song. One or two sentences. You finish that, then we'll go to the next person.
Shall I continue?
Continue.
Okay. Matra, lodra, tvacha, aushadham, akriyata.
Here again, that matra is what vibhakti? Matru shabdrasya ka vibhakti?
Tritiya vibhakti.
Tritiya vibhakti. Okay.
Okay,
Lodra tvacha, what is the vibhakti?
tvacha.
Tritiya.
Tritiya vibhakti only, okay. Aushadam?
Okay. Aushadam, dutiya.
No, here it is prathama vibhakti.
Oh, okay.
Because it is napusakalingi shabda. Either it can be Tritiya prathama, here prathama, because it is karmani. Akriyata. So kru dhatu. Kru dhatu will become kriya. Akriyata.
Okay.
As the rule, you changed here. Now, who made the medicine? Mother or the bark?
Mother.
Mother made, na? So that is the karta. Matra is karta.
Matra.
Aushadam is karma. Akriya the kriya. Lodra tvacha is not taking part in the sentence. Like earlier sentence, Parshuna was not taking part in the karmani prayoga. Lodra tvacha is not taking part in prayoga. Okay. So mata, lodra tvacha, aushadam, akarot. Sorry, mata. Prathama vibhakti. Mata, lodra tvacha, aushadam, akarot. She made the medicine out of that bark. Okay. Agree? Tasya sevanena patatu.
Next,
Agree?
Krishna Kumar ji.
Krishna Kumar ji, patatu.
तस्य सेवनेन सा शीघ्रमेव रोगमुक्ता जाता.
Okay. Now, tasya means aushadasya. Aushadasya sevanena, by taking that dose medicine, sa mata shigrameva, very soon, rogamukta jata, she became free of disease, that is, she became healthy. Okay.
This is direct Kartari only.
They direct kartari, sa rogamukta jata, nothing more. But here tasya sevanena is tritiya vibhakti. So don't confuse that this is tritiya vibhakti of karmani prayoga. And here jata is ta pratyaya used in the lung sense, okay, lung lakar sense, past tense. We will come to that later sometimes. I don't know whether in GS2 or GS3. We will see. Okay, agre patatu mahodaya.
पुनः कदाचित् तया पुत्रस्य रक्तरञ्जितं श्वेतवस्त्रम् आलोक्यत.
Alokyata. Now dhatu is lokate. Okay. So I will open this. Lokate, lokete, lokante, like that. Okay. So taya putrasya shvetavastram alokyata. So sa shvetavastram alokata is the lang lakar. Alokata, upasarga a. Okay. Alokata. And other things remain the same. Punaha kadachit means some other time again. Sa putrasya raktaranjitam shvetavastram. Raktaranjitam is blood stained white cloth. Saw. Agre
This, between avaloka and aloka, what is the difference?
Alok, that ya is there, na? Alokya.
I mean, I'm just saying the upasarga, a versus ava. Avalokanam is also there, alokanam is also there.
Both are same.
Both are same.
It depends upon, okay, in Sanskrit, you can't say which upasarga means what. Okay. Hardly anything. I mean, if this sentence would have been Shvetavastram alokyata, then only that alokata. But since he has used the upasarga a, we have to take as a only. It hardly matters whether it is, I mean, that is also there. What you say is correct. That they could have used avalokyata. Its choice is yours.
Maybe it means that one alokanam is only to see and then avalokanam is to observe or something. I don't know, maybe. Just a thought.
I mean, no comments. I mean, I have no deep knowledge of this there are some upasargas like V upasarga. Okay. I'll give an example. V sometimes means Vishishta. Okay. Sometimes it becomes Viruddha. So it depends upon, sometimes this literature, the poets and authors, they use this with their own, whims and fancies. So we have to really take the context into consideration and then see. Okay. Anyway, let us go ahead. Taya
आतंकेन पुत्रः अपृच्छ्यत वत्स भवतः.
Wait.
Yeah.
So sa What is it? Taya atankena putra apruchada.
सा आतंकेन पुत्रम अपृच्छत्.
Apruchat. Okay, very good. She asked her son with fear. Atanka is fear. Vatsa bhavataha shvetava.
वत्स भवतः श्वेतवस्त्रं कथं रक्तमयं सञ्जातम् इति.
Okay. There is simple, no karmani kartari. How your this became red, white cloth. Putrena na kimapi akat.
पुत्रेण न किमपि अकथ्यत.
So putraha
पुत्रः किमपि न अकथयत्.
akathayat. Kathayat dashamaganasya dhatu. So
या
okay, ya, that aya pratyay will come. Aya, vikarana pratyay will be aya. Akathayat. Putraha na kimapi akathayat. He did not say anything. Tena
तेन तूष्णीम् अस्थियत.
Asthiyata. So asthiyata is karmani. Sorry, actually this is bhave. There is no karma here. So asthiyata, remove this one, ya, ta, and all that. You'll give us thi. But there is no dhatu called sthi. Actually it is tha. Stha becomes thi.
So yeah,
Da becomes di.
अतिष्ठत्.
Atishtat. Saha tushnim atishtat. He kept quiet. I mean, he stood still. He stood mute. Tada matra.
तदा मात्रा सानुरोधम् अपृच्छेत. पुत्र किं जातम् उच्यताम् इति.
So now matra sanurodham apruchada. Is the meaning clear? If it is clear, we'll go ahead, no problem. And I don't want to convert each and every, unless people have not understood. Okay, if people
Sir, one question. Sir, previous sentence, tusnim. Tusnim is what?
Tushnim means chup.
Silence.
Tusnim means
Chup.
Silence.
बोलते ना चुप, वो चुप हो गया.
okay.
कुछ नहीं बोला. मूक.
Quiet.
Quiet.
So that sentence meaning what? Tena tusnim asthiyat.
Means he stood silent. उसने
He did
कुछ
not
नहीं बोला, वो
answer.
चुपचाप खड़ा रहा.
Okay, okay.
उसने जवाब नहीं दिया कि कैसे हुआ.
The Sanurodha means
Anurodham is, what is anurodh? Anurodh is request. Okay. Anurodh is request. So sanurodham is with request. I mean, she pleaded with him. Sa matra apruchhat. The bhave prayoga. Okay. So sa apruchat. Sanurodham. Okay. I mean, with pleading. Apruchhat. Putra kim jatam uchchatam. Now, what is this uchchatam? Only one sentence in bhave prayog. Sorry, not one sentence, one word in bhave prayog, straight.
Prathama द्विवचनम्.
लोट लकार, no? लोट लकार.
Lot lakar, very good. Prathama purush.
प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन.
एक वचन, okay. So,
वद धातु.
kim dhatu?
वद.
Not vada, it is vach dhatu.
वच. Okay.
Vach. Now, in vacha, you said lot lakar, but what is the karta? Karta?
I mean, Mata is asking son.
What she said?
I mean, who has to answer? Son has to answer.
Son has to answer, yes, correct. But in grammatically, kim jatam uchchatam. Here, what is the karta for uchchatam?
Tvam.
No. Okay.
No.
It is not this one. Okay, karta is tvam. Okay. And what is karma?
Akarmaka.
Putram.
No. It is not. Vach dhatu is not akarmak. Here it is silent. It is adhyahara. Tat. किम जातम तत उच्चताम. क्या हुआ वह बताओ. जो जो कुछ हुआ है वह बताओ. तो वह, दैट वह और तत् is the karma here, and karta is tvam tat ucchatam. Okay, or not tvam, tvaya tat ucchatam. Let it be told by you, so that you is the karta, it is the karma, and let it be told. That is a verb, ucchatam. So in the simple kartari, tvam vada or vachadhatu. Let us see what is the this one. Because it is dvitiya ganasya dhatu, slightly lot vagdhi. My goodness. I am also, I may not remember this vagdhi. Okay. As in simple, we will take vada dhatu, tad vada, tvam tad vada. वो बोलो कि क्या हुआ, किम जातम. Okay. Right. Okay. अग्रे.
तदा
हाँ.
पुत्रेण अकथ्यत
हाँ.
अम्ब तस्मिन् दिने लोध्रवृक्षस्य छेदनसमये मम मनसि विचारः उत्पन्नः यत्
हाँ.
त्वचः निष्कासनसमये तेन वृक्षेण कियती वेदना अनुभूता स्यात्.
Very good. Such a long sentence. But here there is no, it is karmani only. The part of this is karmani. Tena vakshena kiyati vedana anubhuta syat. But it is in the krudanta form, so we will not go into that. Okay. So he just says, main thing is tada putrena akathyata. Here, without karma, there is a bhave prayog, but with sakarmak dhatu, but without karma, so it becomes bhave. So tada putraha akathayat. Then the son told, or he narrated. What he narrated becomes the next sentence itself is a karma or paragraph. Okay. Amba tasmin dine lodravakshasya chedana samaye. On that day, at the time of cutting the bark, mama manasi vicharaha utpannaha. In my mind, a thought came, or it was this one. Yat, that tvachaha nishkasana samaye. Now here tvachaha is shashti vibhakti. Okay. Tvachaha nishkasana samaye. At the time of removing the bark, removal of the bark, तेन वक्षेण कियति वेदना अनुभूता स्यात्. How much pain would have been experienced by that tree? यद्यपि तेन वक्तुं न शक्यते. Here this is, I think we can change this to कर्तरी. तेन वक्तुं न शक्यते. So how to change this to कर्तरी?
सः वक्तुं न शक्नोति.
यद्यपि सः वक्तुं न शक्नोति. He is not able to say.
तथापि वेदना स्याद् एव इति.
वेदना स्यात् एव. Syat means vidiling lakar of as dhatu. The pain may be there. Okay, or sambhavana may be there. Okay. Next to Krishna Kumar, who is there?
I will read.
Patadu.
Adya maya nichitam yat vrikshasya कीदृशी वेदना जाता स्यात् maya ज्ञातव्यम इति.
Maya ज्ञातव्यम. Okay, this is again karmani or bhave prayoga, but it is in krudanta, so let us not go into that. I should know, that's all. Okay, what I should know? Vrakshasya kidrushi vedana jata syat.
How much pain the
How
Vriksha
much
will.
pain the tree must have experienced, I should know that. Ataha maya patadu
अतः मया मम शरीरस्य किञ्चित् चर्म अकर्त्यत.
akartyata. So again here that krita dhatu, kruntati. Okay, so aham mama sharirasya kinchit charma akruntam. I cut my own skin, like that. Okay,
Okay.
tataha
अतः रक्तप्रवाहः आरब्धः.
arabdha. So the blood started flowing.
तेन मम श्वेतवस्त्रं रक्तरञ्जितं जातम् इति.
So my white cloth became blood stained. That's what he told. Okay.
पुत्रस्य वचनेन मात्रा नितराम् अतुष्यत.
Not mata, matra.
मात्रा नितराम् अतुष्यत.
Nitaram is very much.
Very much.
And atushyata, this is again bhave prayog. So what is the kartari?
अतुष्यत.
Atushyat. Very good. And who atushyat?
माता.
Mata. And what about putrasya vachanena?
No change.
No change. Though vachanena is tritiya vibhakti, it is not karta.
Yeah.
Okay. So putrasya vachanena mata nitaram atushyat. She was very much pleased.
तस्याः नेत्रे सजले जाते.
जाते. नेत्रे सजले जाते.
Eyes were filled with tears.
नपुंसकलिंग शब्दास प्रथमा विभक्ति द्विवचन. नेत्रम नेत्रे नेत्राणि सजलम सजले सजलानानि जातम जाते जातानि. So all three visheshan vishesha bhava, but in this the ta pratyay used in langlakara sense. So her eyes became wet with the tears.
पुत्रस्य दयागुणं ज्ञात्वा अतीव प्रसन्नतया तया सह गाढम् आलिङ्ग्यत.
So taya saha alingyata, that's all. Sa tam alingat. She embraced him. Gadam is very tight. And again, prasannataya, all those things are no role to play. Putrasya dayagunam jnatva ativa prasannataya sa tam gadam alingyat. Okay. Here again, as Krishna Kumar Mahodaya said, A is the upasarga. So we have to put alingyat, alingat. Let us see, ling dhatu. Why it is not taking? Lingati, and in the langlakar alingat. So a upasarga alingat. Okay. Now next, who will read?
Meda.
Meda Bhagini Patadu. Sa अस्ति वा? Who? Meda Joshi or Meda Kulkarni?
Meda Kulkarni.
Bhagini पठति वा? अस्तु, सा नास्ति. प्रायः तस्याः सम्पर्कः खण्डितः
Yes.
अग्रे कः अस्ति?
प्रदत्त
Wait.
Narayan.
Narayan Mother may might have gone. He has started some class.
Can you? I will change this.
Aham padami.
पठतु महोदय.
अत्र प्रदत्तानि वाक्यानि सावधानतया पठता.
What is the meaning? इसका मतलब क्या है?
The undermentioned sentences read carefully.
Very good. So read now carefully.
Putrena vanam agamyata.
Not agamyata. Agamyata.
Agamyata.
So what will be the correct?
Putraha vanam agamati. Agachati.
Not
agachat.
Agachat. Langlakar.
Agachat. Putraha vanam agachat.
Not agachat. Agachat.
Agachat.
Agachat. He went to the forest. Next one.
Agachat. Okay.
Tena.
Tena lodratvajaha akrtyanda.
So saha.
Saha lodra vriccham akrityada.
Akruntat. And lodra tvachaha. Dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan will be lodra tvachaha only. So saha lodra tvachaha akruntan. Sorry, akruntat.
Akruntat. Matra aushadam akriyata.
Mata
aushadam akarod. Akriyat akarod.
Okay.
Balehi.
Wait. We'll go to the next person. Prakash Mahodaya, padati va?
हाँ पढ़ते हैं. तया कथा अलिख्यत.
नहीं, बालैः पठः.
Sorry, बालैः पठः अपठ्यत.
Apathyat, not apathyat.
Sorry, okay. I don't know. I always do like it. Okay. बालैः पाठः अपठ्यत.
Okay.
तो बालाः पाठं अपठत्.
अपठन बहुवचन. करता है बहुवचन. अपठन. हाँ. तया कथा
अलिख्यत.
So सा
कथा is reading, you know.
कथाम. अलिखत. She wrote a story. Okay. एताभिः नाटके अदृश्यताम्. This. रेवती भगिनी करोति वा? एताभिः.
Sir, it's different in our book, sir. The exercises are different in our book. In new edition.
आपके बुक में क्या लिखा है?
All these one are not there and it's different, sir. Taya lodra vrikshasya tvakaishyata taya putraha ahuyata like that.
Okay. अब उसका एक पिक्चर लेके मेरे को भेज दीजिए.
So, sir.
Okay. We will see what can be done.
Okay.
Okay, then that means okay, I will write down here. I will share the screen, and whatever is written in my book, I will write that here.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Uhate, what will be the lung, sir? Uhate?
Uyate. Huh?
No, uhate. Dadu.
उह धातु उसका मतलब क्या है?
Guess.
हाँ, गेस. सो उयते कर्मणि में भावे में होगा उयते.
तो लंग
हाँ, लंग
कर्मणि में लंग कैसा होगा?
औ औ
औह्यता.
औयत.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now here I'll write down what is this sentence here. Sabhi नाटके दृश्येताम्.
Agamya.
What is the lakara here?
Chat.
Can somebody say what is the lakar? No? Nobody can reply?
Lot.
लंग लकार प्रथमा पुरुष द्विवचन.
It is langlakar only. Basically, no. So that is the thing. Now let us. Okay, langlakar gone. Then the divachan pratyay drishyetam and karmani so dhatu is drush. Why drishyetam? Because it is dvivachan. Dvivachan of the karma. Karma is natake, natakam, natake, natakani. That is why, okay, dvivachan. So, etabhi will become, what is etabhi?
Etaha.
Etaha. Etaha. Natake.
Natake.
Natake only. Vidya Prathama same. 2 dramas. Natake. Okay. Now,
Apashyan.
Apashyat.
Bahuvachan.
Apashyan.
Apashyan. Sorry. Itaha natake apashyan. See now, I mean, why I write this example is in the first sentence, Kriya Padam is in Dvivachanam and Karmani. So here is there. In this Kartari, the Kriya Padam is in Bahuvachan. Okay. Because the Karta is Bahuvachan. Here the Karma is in Dvivachan, so that our this one, chart. That karma anusari and karma anusari. So this is a good example of that. That is the only thing I like this sentence. So wanted to take in more detail. People have understood, it is okay, no problem. So now next one I will write down if somebody is this one. Bhavatbhihi uttarani Bhautyanta. No, what is this? Bhautyanta, what is the root? What is the dhatu?
Bhavantah.
Sorry. Yes.
भवन्तः
भवन्तः wait भवन्तः उत्तराणि will become
remain the same उत्तराणि
उत्तराणि उद्यंत what is the dhatu
Vad
vad dhatu
Vad.
vad becomes uda udyate and avyanta langlakar so bhavantah uttarani langlakar vad dhatu purush bhavajan
Avadan.
avadan so this way is very simple. Okay, now vrukshai avruddhyant in bhave. Vrukshaihi. Sorry, I get a wrong. Vrudhyat. So, Vrukshaihi will become
वृक्षः
Vrikshaha. Vrudha. So, what is Vrudha dhatu? Atmanepadi Vrudha vardate. So, what will be the form? Lakara. Dhatu. No.
Our namta.
वृद्ध
Trees grew. That's all. Nothing more. Next, Balaihi. I'm writing this because some people say their book is having some different words, sentences. So, Balaihi, Uchaihi, Ahasyata. So, what is it mean?
बालाः
Balaha, Uttanam.
उच्चैः आहसन्
Why not Uchaha?
It is avyaya.
अपि
Okay. It looks like Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan, but it is not Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan, it is just an avyaya. So that will remain as it is. Okay. So Uchchaihi.
आहसन्
Hasan. Very good. Then Sasyahi Akampyata. What is Sasya?
trees
वृक्षः
Not
plant
small plants. Okay. Not very big trees. I mean, not this one. Okay. So, and it is Napusakalingi Shabda.
सस्याः
Sasyani
यानि
Sasyani. Okay.
akampanta.
Akampanta. Very good. Alpanepadi dhatu.
कम्पन्
Akampanta. Alpanepadi dhatu. Kampate. Then Tena Talpe Ashayyat. this dhatu, Shi dhatu. This is Dvitiya Ganasya dhatu, so Shete, Shayate, Sherate. And in Langlaka, it is Asheta. Ashet, Ashayatam, Asherata. So, Tena Talpe Ashayata. So it will be Saha Talpe. I don't know what is Talpe. I think like a bed or something. I don't know what is the meaning. What is it? Asheta. He slept on the Talpa. Let me see what is Talpa.
Talpam is beds.
Madam?
Bed.
I also don't know what is Talpa. I mean, I might have seen when I studied. And now when I taught first time also, I might have seen. It's a very uncommon word.
They say Shesha Talpam for Vishnu.
Talpa, coach, bed, sofa, that's all. What, you said Shesha what? Shesha Talpa? Okay. Next is Vrukshat Paranihi Apatyat.
वृक्षात् पर्णानि अपतत्.
Vrukshat Parnani
अपतत्.
Apatan.
अपतन्. अपतन्.
Apatan. So see here then in all these words we saw Vrukshai Avrudyata, Balai Ahasyata, Sasye Akampyata, Tena Talpe Ashayyata, Vrukshat Parnai Apatyata. No karma. So this is a example of, I mean, all these are examples of Bhave Prayoga. Okay. So this much is enough today. Right? Now my request is go through the lesson and shall we do this? Because I'm afraid in some people books the sentences are different. Okay, in my book I'll read what is the thing. Let us see in everybody's book the same. Then we will finish that. Rishikeshaha Gudakesham Abravit. Is it the same on page number 143? Etani Vakyani Parishilayata.
Sir, it's Gudakesham Anayat.
Gudakesham?
Anayat.
No, here it is Abravit. Rishikesha Gudakesham Abravit. Okay.
Here it is Anayat, sir.
That means there is sentences are different in my book and your books. So better we will, I mean, there is no point in studying sentence by sentence now. In the left side he has given Kartari Prayoga. In the right side either Bhave Prayoga or Karmani Prayoga. Just see, I mean, whatever the rules he has discussed, that same chart, Kartari, Prathama, then Karma Dvitiya, and Karmani, Karta, Tritiya, Karma, Prathama, all that, whether those rules are followed here, that's all. Okay, kindly check in your own book and see whether you are able to understand that. And then he has given Kru Dhatoho, that Karmani and Bhave Rupas at the bottom. And on the next one, he has given for the Ram Dhatu. Read those, understand how the Rupas are formed, and then do the exercises at your own. Okay. So, shall we stop here? Next time,
Sir?
yes.
The Kalpe meaning is given as upper story. Upper story, room on top of the house.
In my dictionary, I will here see the dictionary I am having. I can open that online dictionary also for you. This is the dictionary. It says Talpe is sofa. Okay. Let me open the online dictionary also for you.
Okay, sir.
I mean, one word can have many meanings in Sanskrit, so that is well taken. Kalpa. Ayo, it is not given here. Kalpa. See here, it is a coach, bed, sofa. Yeah, this is also an upper story, a turret, a tower. I don't know. So he slept on the upper story or he slept on the sofa. Both are same. Depends upon the context. Okay. So I will just take that after I close the recording. I'll take the attendance. Then people can go. Those who want to ask some questions, they can stay back. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. धन्यवादः.